Dear valued customer, at Nokta Workshop, we understand that a well-designed sign is much more than just a display. It's a powerful tool that can enhance your brand, attract customers, and communicate your message effectively. That's why we are dedicated to producing high quality, customized signs that meet your unique needs and exceed your expectations. We invite you to visit our website at nokta.qrkshop.com to see examples of our work and to learn more about how our signs can make a difference for your business. Thank you for considering Nokta Workshop for your signage solutions.